They say affiliate marketing is easy, but 90% of affiliates never make any real money. So what's the secret? What makes the top 1% so successful? Let's find out. Everyone wants easy money. We all scroll past those annoying pop-ups trying to sell us courses on how to become an affiliate. Marketing millionaire in 30 days, but here's the truth. Affiliate marketing is like that friend who looks effortlessly cool and successful, but behind the scenes, they put in hours at the gym, perfect angles for their Instagram pics, and spend countless hours networking, which we don't see. You can't just slap an Amazon Associates button on your website and expect sales to roll in. Trust me, if it were that easy, everyone would be doing it. In fact, most affiliates fail miserably because they think affiliate marketing is a get-rich-quick scheme. A lazy person's idea of hard work is clicking this button right here. But guess what? It doesn't work anymore. Those lazy tactics only worked back in the day when affiliate marketing was in its Wild West phase. But now Google is smarter, consumers are smarter, and if you're not providing real value, you're just wasting your time. So let's talk about how to avoid being one of the 90%. First, stop copying and pasting affiliate links. This is like walking into a party and shouting, "Hey everyone, buy this product. It's awesome." No one wants to listen to that, especially not your mom. Nobody cares about your affiliate links unless you give them a reason to. That's why you should build your brand around a specific niche. Choose a niche that you genuinely enjoy and understand. Don't once just go for whatever is trending or has the highest commission rates, because you're not an expert on that. You need to become a trusted resource in your niche, someone people turn to for advice. Once you establish that, your audience will trust you and be more likely to buy through your affiliate links. Next, focus on solving your audience's problems. Create content that educates, inspires, or entertains. Your content should provide real value to your audience, not just promote products. Think of yourself as a chef. You wouldn't serve your customers the same dish every day, right? Keep it fresh and exciting. Use a variety of formats like listicles, how-tos, product reviews, and more. Just don't use the same title for everything. Get creative. Third, don't be afraid to test and learn. Try different types of content, affiliate programs, and promotional methods to see what works best for you. Even big companies do this. Take Amazon, for example. When I search for a product, I often see options from third-party sellers. That means Amazon tests multiple sellers to see who converts best and provides the best customer experience. Fourth, be patient. Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time. Don't expect to make thousands of dollars in your first week or even your first year. If you're not seeing results, don't blame the method. Instead, learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. And finally, don't give up. Persistence is key to success in affiliate marketing. Most people quit when they haven't even given it a real try. They start promoting random products and spamming their social media feeds with affiliate links. But that's not how it works. You need to stay focused on your goals and keep creating valuable content for your audience. To sum it up, affiliate marketing isn't some magic bullet to riches. It's a business that requires skill, strategy, and a whole lot of hard work. But if you're willing to put in the effort, you can earn a substantial income and achieve financial freedom. So stop dreaming about that Lamborghini and start learning the skills you need to make it happen. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your fortune. But if you stay focused, be patient, and keep hustling, you'll eventually reach your destination. What are your thoughts? Leave them below. Like the video and subscribe for weekly videos just like this one. And until next time, take care.